If you're not backing up your data in 2026, you're taking a huge risk. Today I'm reviewing one of the most popular free backup tools for multi-Windows, AOMEI Backupper. This software claims to protect your entire system, clone your hard drive, and prevent data loss, all for free. But is it actually worth it? Let's find out. First, what exactly does AOMEI Backupper do? It allows you to create full system backups, disk backups, partition backups, and even file-level backups in just a quick clicks. That means if your PC crashes, gets infected by ransomware, or your hard drive fails, you can restore everything easily. One of the standout features is disk cloning. If you're upgrading to an SSD, you can migrate your entire OS without reinstalling Windows. No data loss, no complicated setup, just a smooth transition. Another useful feature is scheduled backups. You can set it to automatically back up your files daily, weekly, or monthly, so you never have to worry about forgetting. Now let's talk about ease of use. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require any technical knowledge. Even if you've never done a backup before, you can get started in minutes. So who is this tool for? It's perfect for everyday users, gamers, freelancers, and even small businesses who want a reliable backup solution without paying up front. There is also a paid version with advanced features, but honestly, the free version is already powerful enough for most users. If you want to try it yourself, check out the link in the description below. Don't wait until it's too late. Back up your data today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and tools that actually make your life easier.